Hey guys, welcome back to ForeverAfterReacts. Today we're checking out more of Infected Rain Black Gold. We checked out Orphan Soul a couple of days ago, and I really enjoyed the band and the song. And someone also said to check out Black Gold. So here we are, ready for more bangers, and fingers crossed for that. Like I said it last time, it's interesting of having the scream melody of the chorus, because I do like that. I don't know if I actually like the screams in the verse tone, unless it was just trying to be something quick and heavy, but not something going for like a whole verse. I can't actually remember if she was clean singing on the last video. I'm pretty sure she did, but I just can't remember. I know it's not saying that, but I just heard twice in a row foreskin is doing something, and I hope that's not what it's saying. Ew. Close again. I don't know what she's saying. I'm trying to think of actually what she could be saying because I know it's not foreskin. Oh man. Anyways, yeah, to reiterate, yeah, I do like the for the chorus that they could sound like a melodic scream to go along with that. I really like that. Again, I'm not the biggest fan of like her screams just in general for reverse tone because I do like her cleans as well. Kind of takes away from the chorus being so good is that it's kind of lasting the whole song. I don't know, just my personal preference, I guess. So I think I enjoy them more than In This Moment, like Maria Brink's vocals. Like there's a lot of songs that I like by them, but hers are like very like whiny, and I'm not really for that. So I haven't actually listened to them in a long time, like 3 or 4 years probably. So I don't even know what they sound like anymore. Probably the same, but yeah. But Infected Rain, I'm sure I'll be checking out more of them anyways. I'm assuming that they might be coming out with new music somewhat soon because most of their the last album dropped last October, so they might be releasing new songs now. Since the pandemic's going on, they might be writing some new music and trying to get out to record some. So that'll be good if they are. But yeah, song was good. I've liked Orphan Soul better than that one. But yeah, anyways, guys, I have my handle's in the bottom if you guys want to let me know about new songs releasing. I stream some video games on Facebook, links in the description. I'll probably be streaming some Black Ops Cold War here whenever it drops. Should be very soon. So there's that. If not, there's no big deal, you know. I appreciate you guys sticking around. If you guys like what you saw, like, subscribe, you know. Anyways, I am Forever After X, aka Nick, and I hope you guys have a good day.